Prajakta is my love and she is the reason why I am on YouTube. She shared my video, it went viral on Instagram, it gave me confidence, I made more videos and here I am. Hi guys, my name is Seetu. Welcome back to my channel I Do Seetu. एंड एज यू नो फ्रॉम द टाइटल कि क्या हो रहा है, बट अभी पता है मेरे साथ क्या हुआ. मैंने ये पूरा 2 मिनट का वीडियो शूट किया एंड उसके बाद रियलाइज़ किया कि मेरा फोन टाइम लैप्स मोड पे है. यू कैन सी इट.
6.5 hours later.
नाउ एज यू गाइज नो कि मेरे साथ क्या बकवास हुई है. सो वाई आई एम डूइंग दिस वीडियो इज बिकॉज प्राजक्ता इज माई love and she is the reason why I am on YouTube. She shared my video, it went viral on Instagram, it gave me confidence, I made more videos and here I am on YouTube. So it's all her, it's not me, it's all her and she constantly motivates me. So coming back to the video, she is the OG YouTube creator who talks about books. So it's really huge and the kind of influence she has turned thousands of people into readers. So I thought as a booktuber I should read it and tell you how her book recommendations are and how I felt about it and tell you a little more about it. So I am going to read her book recommendations in the vlog that you're going to watch. But the 4 books that I have already read about her, I thought I should talk about them a little bit. So the number 1 book is The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank. Oh my god, I should have kept the paperbacks with me while talking, but it's okay, I will insert the picture here. So The Diary of a Young Girl, totally loved it and I think it's a very very essential book. Everyone should read it. The second book is Shiva Trilogy by Amish Tripathi. Indian mythology, no one else write it better than Amish Tripathi. He is awesome at his job. Third book that she recommends is The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. So I am not a typical fan of the book, but I think a lot of people love it and it is one of the best sellers in this huge wide world. So yeah, it's a book which can be read. I am not a fan of it, but I will not say that the book is bad, it's good, so read it. The fourth book is one of my favorite books. It is Seriously I'm Kidding by Ellen DeGeneres. Now if you love Ellen, I am sure you're going to love the book, but even if you're not, it's so much fun. It's like watching a long episode of Ellen's show and it's like one-on-one talk, and listen to the audiobook because she is narrating the audiobook, so it's like more fun. So yeah, and now watch the vlog, and I am shooting this on a Tuesday. The vlog starts on Friday, so you will see that on Tuesday I'm wearing the same clothes. So yeah, I have shot it. If you get, I'm trying to do that Doraemon wala time machine wala thing. Hi guys, so I am finally starting this vlog, and the other books that Mostly Sane has recommended and I have not read are The Jaya by Devdutt Pattanayak, The Secret Diary of Adrian Moore, Frankenstein by Mary Shelley. 4th book is Unsuitable by Karan Johar. 5th book is The Devil Wears Prada. I don't know the author's name. 6th book is Norwegian Woods by Haruki Murakami. 7th book is A Princess Remembers. 8th book is Asura. So all these 8 books I have 1 week to read. I don't know how much I will be able to read. Pretty much I want to read every book that she has recommended. I only have 1 paperback, so I will update you that what books I ordered for this video and also what audiobooks I'm going to listen to, because I only have 1 book right now. This is like me shooting literally after 2 hours, और वो 2 घंटे मैंने सिर्फ फ़ोन पे बिताए हैं ये डिसाइड करते हुए कि मुझे क्या ख़रीदना और क्या नहीं ख़रीदना. सेकेंड हैंड स्टोर्स पे मुझे कुछ नहीं मिला क्योंकि सारी बुक्स या तो अवेलेबल ही नहीं है या आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हैं. तो आई ब्रॉट 2 पेपरबैक्स फ्रॉम अमेजोन. मेरे साथ हमेशा यही होता है, सर्च द बुक्स एवरीवेयर. आई ट्राई टू बी एक्सपेरिमेंटल विद इट, बट एट द एंड आई ऑलवेज एंड अप बाइंग फ्रॉम अमेजोन. तो अ प्रिंसेस रिमेंबर्स बाय गायत्री देवी, इसकी ऑडियो बुक भी अवेलेबल नहीं है, ई बुक भी अवेलेबल नहीं है, तो पेपर बैग खरीदना ही पड़ा मुझे. द सेकेंड वन इज़ अ डेविल वियर्स प्राडा बिकॉज इट वॉज ऑन सेल, तो इसलिए मैंने ले लिया. एंड आई ब्रॉट 2 ऑडियो बुक्स विच इज़ एन अनस्यूटेबल बॉय by Haruki Murakami and The Secret Diary of Adrian Mole. So I got these two audiobooks, these two paperbacks I purchased, and this paperback I already have. So I will be reading and listening to these 5 books pehle, and then I will think about rest of the 3 books, because I'm not sure कि मैं 8 books 1 week में finish कर पाऊँगी या नहीं, because I have never done this, so it's kind of new for me. Now I'm just going to take a shower, get my dinner, and start reading this one or start listening to any of the audios. It's 12:30 and I am done with more than half of An Unsuitable Boy by Karan Johar. It's such an inspirational book, oh my god, and it gives so much perspective, and like it's so good. He is friends with Shah Rukh Khan, and oh my god, I love SRK, so I loved that part, and it's emotional. So yeah, this book is quite good actually, unexpectedly good. So yeah, and hi guys, so it's Sunday morning. Last night I almost finished reading to An Unsuitable Boy. थोड़ी सी बची है, so I will update you after listening to it, although I'm not sure that how much I'm going to read, because I have a very busy day full of classes. Yes, I have online classes on Sunday, kill me, and I have off on Friday and Saturday. So yeah, I will update you about it later in the day, and I'm not sure what I'm going to read next, because today is very busy. Maybe I'll pick something else at night, so I'll update you. Hey guys, it's Monday today, 5:30 PM in the evening. ये उतार देती हूँ मैं, मेरी आँखें लिटरली दर्द कर रही हैं because of the online classes जो पूरे दिन कंडक्ट होती रहती हैं. I'm so tired right now, and that's why I was not able to shoot per se. तो अभी तक मैंने 2 बुक्स कंप्लीट करी हैं. नंबर 1 इज़ अनसूटेबल बॉय. तो उस बुक में ऑब्वियसली जो भी इतना कंट्रोवर्सी चल रहा है, आई वॉज नॉट वेरी अप to read this book, but because Prajakta recommended it, I listened to the audiobook, and Karan Johar was not the narrator, somebody else narrated that audiobook, and I felt it was a really good book. But is it like the best book I have ever read? No. Is it the best memoir? No. Best non-fiction? No. Will I keep recommending it to everyone? No. But did I enjoy it? Yes. Like, he talked about so much of Bollywood, how things work, what is his life story, things we really don't know about him, and he was very unapologetic about it, which I really loved. Like, he was like, हाँ ठीक है, मैं जैसा हूँ मैं हूँ, and he owned it. So that part I really liked. Coming to the second book, मुझे थोड़ा इधर हो जाना चाहिए ना, एडिटिंग करते वक्त मैं ऐसे बुक की फ़ोटो इधर डाल दूँगी. तो सेकेंड जो उसकी बुक थी वो थी एड्रियन मोल, द सीक्रेट डायरी ऑफ एड्रियन मोल. वो भी ऑडियो बुक थी. द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट द ऑडियो बुक था कि वो 3 घंटे की थी बस, बट मैं पता नहीं क्यों कनेक्ट ही नहीं कर पाई. वो 13 ईयर ओल्ड बच्चा था जिसकी मम्मी का अफेयर चल रहा है, एंड मतलब बहुत सारी बकवास जो एज एडल्ट हमको समझ नहीं आती है. वो बंदा लिख रहा है एज एन 13 ईयर ओल्ड, उसको समझ नहीं आ रही, बट हमें समझ आ रहा है कि उसकी लाइफ में चल क्या रहा है. तो वो काफ़ी इनडायरेक्ट वाला कनेक्शन सा था उसमें, लेकिन आई रियली डिड नॉट enjoy it so much. So these 2 books were okay-ish for me, not super disappointed, not super like excited about them, so they were like okay for me. तो अभी हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं, मैं जाके शावर लूँगी. मैं सुबह से नहाई भी नहीं. I am just done with the shower, and फाइनली मैंने सोचा था कि आई विल स्टार्ट लिसनिंग टू नॉर्वेजियन वर्ड्स, बट ऑडिबल इज़ नॉट रिटर्निंग माई ऑडियो बुक्स. आई कॉल्ड देम. मेरी मेम्बरशिप शायद ख़त्म हो गई है, and I don't want to spend my money and renew it again like right now. मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा है वो चीज़ करने का. So I have decided that I will start reading Frankenstein tomorrow for now. So yeah, bye. It's Tuesday morning and finally I'm going to read Frankenstein. So guys, मेरे को Audible का सब्सक्रिप्शन नहीं मिला, बट ऑब्वियसली फिर मैंने YouTube पे ढूंढा तो मेरे को नॉर्वेजियन वुड्स की ऑडियो बुक मिल गई थी. बट टर्न आउट कि मैं 2-3 मिनट की ऑडियो बुक सुनने के बाद सो गई हूँ, तो आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू लाइक स्टार्ट ही हुआ था 2-3 मिनट में क्या होता है. सो या टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू रीड फ्रैंकेस्टीन, बट बिफोर दैट आई हैव टू शूट समथिंग एल्स एंड आई हैव टू क्लिक रील्स, मतलब शूट रील्स and do a lot of other stuff. So I am just going to put my liner and lipstick. आज मैंने अपनी नई टी-शर्ट पहनी है, energy. So yeah, I'm really liking it. Although नीचे I just have my pajamas on because that's how we roll in quarantine. So yeah, I'm going to get ready and try to read Frankenstein now. This is the 3rd book I am reading, and I hope you're enjoying this vlog. Hi guys, so it's Wednesday today. I am done with 100 pages of Frankenstein, and guess what beauty arrived yesterday. Oh my god, it's such a gorgeous book. Like, can you look at it? Just look at it. It's so freaking pretty. Like, look at the spine and everything. So yes, I have read 120 pages of this book. Totally loving it. इतनी अच्छी लग रही है मेरे को ये. I'm glad I'm making this video. So it's Thursday and I have Friday and Saturday left, and I have 3 books left. So I guess I will be completing Frankenstein and A Princess Remembers, और असुरा एंड जया को तो मैं बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ने वाली हूँ. दे आर ऑफ द चार्ट्स. 2 बुक्स और बची हैं. डेविल वियर्स प्राडा, जो कि मैंने अमेज़ोन से ऑर्डर तब करी थी, अभी भी नहीं आई है. और दूसरी बुक है नॉर्वेजियन, वो जो तो मैंने ऑर्डर करी ही नहीं है. एंड यूट्यूब पे उसकी ऑडियो बुक है, तो शायद मैं सुन लूँ. सो या टोटली रिकमेंड दिस वन. एंड जो क्लासिक लवर्स हैं और अगर आपने नहीं पढ़ी है तब तो आपको फ्रैंकेस्टीन बिल्कुल पढ़नी चाहिए. बहुत ईजी लैंग्वेज है. ऑल दो बिगिनर्स को मैं रेकमेंड नहीं करूँगी क्योंकि इतनी भी ईजी लैंग्वेज नहीं है उस बुक की. सो या आई विल सी यू गाइज लेटर एंड अपडेट अबाउट इट. Hi guys, so as you can see I am preparing for my next YouTube video, matlab the background. So I thought I should wrap up this vlog. It's Friday. I was not able to vlog anything on a Thursday because this book arrived and I finished reading it, and I finished reading this one as well, and I am ending this vlog. I am not reading Norwegian Woods by Haruki Murakami because I don't have the paperback, and I have heard so much about the author, so I want to read his first book in a paperback format. Both of these books were really amazing. First we will talk about A Princess Remembers by Gayatri Devi. This book was fab. It is an autobiography, and if I show you the flip through, so yes, I think I was able to maintain a very intimate relationship with this book. I really liked this book and I would recommend it to everyone out there. The second book which I read, मैंने इतनी ज़ोर से क्यों पटका उस book को, like really sorry. And The Devil Wears Prada was a chic literature category book. Really liked it. I think we should all sometimes take a break and read a light-hearted book, and this was super fun, cheesy, unapologetic women. So what was there to not like? I love gossip masala books, and this was one of them. And Anne Hathaway, Meryl Streep did a fab job in the movie. I watched the movie, like I finished reading the book and I immediately watched the movie. I think movie में मिरांडा प्रीस्ली का जो कैरेक्टर है उसको थोड़ा सा कम दिखाया है, and थोड़ी वो डेप्थ की कमी हमेशा हो जाती है when we compare the movie and the book, but I would definitely recommend this one as well. If you guys like this random vlog, and if you did, thumbs up, subscribe, share, tell your feedback in the comments, and yes, do tell me, because this was a first random vlog / reading vlog I did. I hope you all enjoyed. Bye bye.